Want to get paid automatically when people book time with you? Connecting PayPal to Calendly lets you do just that. This video will show you how to set it up so you can accept payments directly during the booking process. This eliminates chasing invoices and reduces no-shows, saving you time and money. By the end, you'll know exactly how to integrate PayPal with Calendly to monetize your schedule seamlessly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Open your web browser and go to calendly.com, then enter your email address and password to sign in. Next, navigate to the Integrations tab. After logging in, find the Integrations option in the left sidebar menu and click on it to access the Integrations dashboard. Now find PayPal in the Integrations list. Scroll through the available options until you locate the PayPal integration. Then click the Connect button to initiate the connection process. You'll be automatically redirected to PayPal's secure login page. This uses OAuth 2.0 for secure authentication. Enter your PayPal email and password to log in. Make sure you have a PayPal business account for full functionality. Personal PayPal accounts have limited payment processing capabilities with Calendly. Review the permissions that Calendly is requesting. These allow Calendly to securely process payments on your behalf. Click Agree or Authorize to grant access. After granting permissions, you'll be redirected back to Calendly. Look for a success message or green checkmark indicating that the PayPal integration is now active and ready to use. Go to your event types in Calendly and select the specific event where you want to require payment. Click to edit the selected event. In the event settings, locate the Payment section. Enable the Accept Payments option. Enter the price for the event or service. You can set a fixed fee or per-person rates. Choose whether to require full payment or a deposit. Save your changes to apply the payment settings. Now, when someone books this event, they'll be prompted to pay via PayPal before the booking is confirmed. Integrating PayPal with Calendly offers several key advantages that can transform how you manage your scheduling and payments. First, it significantly reduces no-shows by requiring upfront payment for bookings. This ensures that invitees are committed to attending, as they've already invested financially in the appointment. Second, the integration automates invoicing and payment collection, saving you valuable administrative time. Instead of sending separate invoices and chasing payments, everything happens seamlessly within the booking process. Third, it integrates seamlessly with Calendly's CRM features for better lead tracking. Payment data and booking information are automatically synced, helping you maintain comprehensive records of your clients and transactions. Finally, you get paid automatically, which improves your cash flow and eliminates the hassle of manual payment follow-ups. Funds are transferred directly to your PayPal account as soon as bookings are confirmed and paid. According to Calendly, 40% of their premium users take advantage of payment integrations like PayPal, highlighting the popularity and effectiveness of this feature for businesses of all sizes. Sometimes the PayPal connection can fail. If you encounter authentication errors, try disconnecting and reconnecting PayPal in Calendly's Integrations tab. For payment failures, ensure your PayPal account is in good standing and has sufficient funds if applicable. Also, check that the currency settings in Calendly and PayPal are compatible. Occasional outages during PayPal maintenance windows can temporarily affect connectivity, so try again later. Make sure your PayPal business account is verified. Security is paramount when integrating Calendly with PayPal for payment processing. Calendly employs secure APIs and encryption methods to protect your financial data during transmission and storage. PayPal handles the payment processing securely, ensuring compliance with PCI DSS standards for payment card industry data security. This means your payment information is protected through industry-standard security measures. Be sure to review Calendly's and PayPal's privacy policies to fully understand how your data is collected, stored, and used. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about data sharing. Always maintain strong passwords for your Calendly and PayPal accounts, and enable two-factor authentication for an additional layer of security against unauthorized access. The trend towards integrated payments is growing, Expect to see more platforms like Calendly adding support for other payment methods like Stripe, Square, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. There may even be options for cryptocurrency payments in the future. The integration will likely become even more seamless with AI-driven fraud detection and mobile-optimized payment flows. Stay tuned for future updates to Calendly and PayPal for even more payment flexibility.